At Lake Hamilton, hands-on learning is taking on a whole new meaning. In partnership with Weyerhaeuser and Lowe, our construction technology students are building a tiny home, learning skills that will last a lifetime. This project is more than just a classroom assignment. It's real-world experience, giving students the chance to design, build, and bring their vision to life.
The goal of the program in my eyes is to, one, teach kids how to save themselves a lot of money in the future. They can do their own work, but then possibly, create some workers that are going into the trades, because there's a real shortage in America of trades workers, and hopefully we can train some kids, give them the ability to get in that area.
I've been in the construction class for 3 years now. I feel like my skills in this class have improved over the 3 years because of all the different tasks we've had to do and projects we've accomplished, and we get to work on our stuff every day and really see new things. Me and my classmates are very grateful for partners like Weyerhaeuser and Lowe that provide us with materials and funds for these projects.
At the end of the school year, this tiny home will go up for auction, funding the next generation of builders at Lake Hamilton.
I like that the tiny home will be auctioned off at the end of the year to help next year, because it'll give them some money to do something as cool or maybe even cooler that we've done for their senior year.
From the foundation to the finishing touches, these students are building something more than just a tiny home. They're building skills, confidence, and a future. As this project is auctioned off at the end of the year, the proceeds will fuel next year's build, creating a cycle of learning and opportunity for our students at Lake Hamilton.